Okay, we can start for information.
Alright, let's introduce this.
Let's check at the camera. I know her, my dear. Okay, get the giant robot.
Yes, I do. That place is scary. We need to evacuate. I don't see everything. Where are them? I don't see it. Eighteen, 17, 16, 15, 14, 12, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Who was that? We finally did it! Hooray! Okay, we have a winner! Hooray! And this is best. This is our best. Alright, we did it! Hooray! That thing had a Squimmax winner! Hooray, guys! We finally did it! Hala Squimmax was winner! What? Are just kidding me?
Class C
Cell phone
G major 6,
Classy
cell phone
G major
39.
You are
A stupid
fucking
bitch or
RS
you shush
the
shut the
fuck
up.
Classy
C phone G
major 36
6 G
major.
6 was
You need to
fucking shut.
the fuck up.
Oh, it's okay. We never be friends now. What? I'm
Sorry, guys.
sorry.
We have to plan. You need
Need to
a plan
work.
space. Okay.
Yes, there's a friend's house. The happiness, we are happy now. Guys, we are sorry for harm. We need for a plan we can destroy our catemojibabyheat space. Homes.
Right over there.
Hello guys, my name is Bonjour. This wants to be my profile self.
Yes, it's something will happen to me. Hello, guys. When there, my name is Ranger. Hello.
Oh yes! I know him, my dear. Hurry!
Yes, I know him, my dear. Then the pig was asking to ask me.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Wait, is that my friend?
Hey! Everybody behind
You this?
Oh my god, what's this? Everyone, get out of the way! That thing is like a red tail, also red dress, with red eyes, so sharp teeth. How does a plant? Bro, I think Evil Leafy was half. I knew that Evil Leafy was maybe a DIA. We have a don't know where said the dress.
Jeez, I think Romy Minecraft story it is like this episode is like something was wrong by Empire New York City.
Stand you high, this fly was planned. I don't need it.
Yes, I will be it. There is not a waitress. Why not? How is the plan?